I put the fuel to the flame. I'm totally untamed.
Hey, welcome back. Gonna be doing a unboxing and install video for a Madstad adjustable windscreen for a 22 Harley Davidson Road Glide Limited. Again, this is my first attempt, so don't break me over the coals too bad. Anyway, hope you enjoy it.
I was actually online on Facebook and noticing another person that's a hooky hay rider, and saw a video he posted. So I looked at his video and I noticed he had a different windshield, and he had one of these adjustable windshields on his Road Glide. And I was like, man, I've been looking for something like that, and I finally found this. It's Madstad. He turned me on to them, told me they were the best money he ever spent. I'm going to find out. I have never owned one. I'm interested in seeing how it works, and makes riding a lot nicer, a little less buffeting. But been pretty good. My windshield pretty good. It's pretty good right now. I don't really have any complaints about it. The only complaint I had about it was I put that little shelf up on the top of my dash. You know, it had a couple of cubby holes, and I've noticed over time it has, with dust getting behind it and touching the inside of the windshield, it's been getting kind of scratched up where it touches that dash. And so hopefully this will alleviate that, because the bottom portion of this windshield is a solid piece. It's not clear. So interested to see how it works first. But anyway, this is the box it came in. Pretty good sized box. Ordered it a couple of days ago, and it's finally come in. Yeah. Well, I'm hoping this is going to be a good little investment in a new windshield. So this is the bottom portion that attaches to my bike that will hopefully replace the portion that's getting all scratched up. And it won't matter if it gets scratched up because you can't see through it. And then this is the windshield. Got the smoke. And it's the 14-inch. I'm hoping I can still attach my mirror, my 360 mirror to it, or 180 degree mirror to it. I really like that 180 degree mirror. It's called a rider stand, if you didn't know what it was. They're made out of, come out of England or UK, and love it. And I here in Houston, it is so much. I use it every time I drive in heavy traffic. It comes in so handy to be able to see what's going around me all the time without having to turn my head. I mean, I can see basically 180 degrees behind me, all the way around. You know, from my eyesight here, but I can look at the mirror and I can see everything back here. And see what's going on. It saved me so many times from getting crashed into by other people that are just not paying attention. So I love it. I love the rider stand. Some cops and ran into some police officers that were leading a ride for us in Kansas City, and they had them on their bikes. So basically, that's where I first encountered them. And really liked what I saw. So, and since I've had one, I don't like riding without it. Well, I got to the directions and all the hardware, it looks like. So one of the brackets, some grommets and screws, and another bracket. So here's the base shield. They have some kind of polycarbonate. It says it's for 2015 and up Road Glide. So we're going to see. But we have to install the brackets on here first. looks like they gave me all the hardware I'm supposed to have. So I've got to mount these brackets on here. So there's a certain way you do it. I'll make sure I do it right so I don't have to do it twice. One good thing is they put the holes. The holes on this side of the bracket only fit here. These two holes don't fit here, so you got to put it in the right way. So, and it looks like the knobs are to be on the inside. So I'll get that done. So I have to take off this windshield. Boy, it's stuffy. Good thing I'm taking it off because it's dirty. And then I replace it with that shield they got there, which means I'm going to have to take these screws all the way out. But anyway, get this popped off. So far, this has been a fairly easy install. There it is.
So at this point, basically you take that solid piece, the base piece, and you basically put it where your windshield goes. And I just use the same holes that came on the bike, same hardware that's with your windshield, holds it in place. Now I had that little pouch shelf thing there on my dash, and it made it a little more difficult for me to get it in here, but we'll tell you it will fit. It is the right size. It just you know, took a little finagling, but I finally got it in there, and fits pretty good.
Okay, get it out of the bag. So you have to put too much stuff in. Put the screw through the windshield. Get out this thing. And these just get screwed right into the bracket. But it's going to allow me to adjust my windshield up and down for a better ride. I think it's going to be a good improvement. I've been looking for something like this for a long time. I didn't even realize that somebody had made one. I've seen them on other bikes, and I'm always wondered why Harley has never had an adjustable shield. I do not know why they don't do that. Most other bikes of this caliber have automatic adjustable shields. You just push a button and it goes up and down, and you adjust it to your height, which makes sense, because every rider's not the same. Anyway, so there's the install. Now I've got to try to figure out the angle that I need to set it at. It gives me some recommendations, but it also says you need to get out on the road and test it to see what works best for you. So that's the next job. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this unboxing and installation of the Madstad, I guess that's how you pronounce it, Madstad adjustable windshield. Be sure to subscribe, hit that like button, share it with other people if you think it's worthy, and I'll have to get back with you on how this thing works. Anyway, enjoy. Okay.